In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books for 2025. Mastering this skill can significantly streamline your financial management process and ensure your accounts are always up to date. Let's dive into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Once you've accessed the dashboard, you'll notice a series of tabs on the left side of the screen. Among these tabs, look for the one labeled Banking and click on it. This step is essential as it leads you into the section where all your financial transactions are managed. After clicking on Banking, a new section on your screen opens up which displays all your bank accounts linked to Zoho Books. Here's a little handy tip. If you ever see an option to skip or bypass any introductory pop-ups, do so by simply clicking on Skip. This will make sure you get right to the point without any distractions. Now cast your eyes on the accounts listed and locate Petty Cash. Clicking on this account brings up a crucial note. You'll see a message stating that there are no transactions recorded. You're now prompted to add new transactions or import your latest account statement. To proceed, look for the option to add transaction. Depending on your perspective, you might be wondering why you need to add transactions manually. Well, Zoho Books offers multiple ways to bring transaction data in, but manually adding them can sometimes offer the most control, especially if you just need to add a specific few. After selecting Add Transaction, you will see another button also labeled Add Transaction, which reaffirms your action. Don't hesitate to click on it again. You'll notice a variety of fields to fill in, such as the date, amount, and category. It's essential to carefully go through each of these fields to ensure the information you input is accurate. Next, use the highlight function, which makes editing more intuitive and can prevent mistakes. Move on to the Edit option. This allows you to modify any transactions you've added if you find that amendments are necessary after reviewing them. Whether it's tweaking the amount or changing the transaction date, Edit is your friend for corrections. Once you're satisfied that all the details are correct, it's time to finalize your work by clicking on Save. This action is crucial as it stores all the transaction details you've meticulously inserted, ensuring that your financial records are both accurate and complete. And there you have it, a clean, efficient way to categorize and manage transactions in Zoho Books. Following these steps not only helps keep your accounts tidy, but it also lays the groundwork for efficient financial reporting and analysis. Thanks for joining me today. Make sure to keep practicing these skills to remain proficient with your financial tasks.